Alright, Soulflow TV, Soulflow TV. Welcome to Soulflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. People I say Soulflow TV, Soulflow TV. How can you not be talking about the passing of a legend, Bobby Digital? See, people, it's important that we understand that we stand on the shoulder of giants. That's why we think no lily. You understand? And we must pay homage to the pioneers. We must pay their respects to them as due. The minute I started doing my little research and find out that Bobby Digital produced the Dembow rhythm. And Bobby Digital was also the producer of Sizzla Kalonji's Black Woman and Child. I said, okay, this is legendary. I don't want to get this lost in translation, so I'm going to say it from the beginning. The Dembow rhythm was actually the start of what they know today as Reggaeton. Alright, and Reggaeton is huge globally. Now, it is so much so that when Reggaeton first started, people didn't know what else to call it, so they just called it Dembow. Because every reggaeton artist was on the Dembow rhythm. Dembow, 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 Dembow. Y'all on that table, you said that shit. Shabba was the one that came out with the song titled Dembow. And they named the rhythm Dembow, but that rhythm was produced by the legendary Bobby Digital. And that rhythm itself went on to spawn what is now today called Reggaeton. Just think about that for a second. Alright? So I'm over here at reggaevibes.com. Shout out to reggaevibes.com. Artist info Bobby Digital Dixon. 1961 to 2020. Producer, recording and mixing engineer, record label owner, legendary. So, Robert Dixon, aka Bobby Digital, was a top Jamaican producer who was known for his signature sounds which influenced many in the reggae music industry and beyond. Growing up with musicians like Black Uhuru, Wailing Souls, and DJs like Hugh Brown, Trevor Rankin, and Nicodemus, his musical journey began by going to parties from an early age, listening to sound systems like King Tubby's, Socialist Roots and Rockers, award-winning Jammies, which later led him to develop and fine-tune his own unique sound. Into the history of this legend, Bobby Digital, he was known as the game changer in Jamaican music. So in the mid-80s, Bobby Digital was chief engineer and the right-hand man of Jammies at his St. Lucia Road located studio. When he left Jammies, he started his own sound system named Heatwave, and he founded the Digital B label. The label's first release included Cocotee's Moody, Lonesome Side, and even more popular cut from Shabba Ranks, Peeny Peeny. Both tunes wrote a variation of Junior Biles' Fade Away rhythm. The many artist album and compilation sets he has released since he branched out on his own showcased the Grammy Award winning producer's music versatility and his legacy in creating songs and rhythms that have transcended time and have been widely sampled by the likes of hip-hop greats like Jay-Z and 50 Cent and many others. Bobby Digital's influential dancehall catalog was the center of the musical revolution that swept through Jamaica from the mid-80s onwards with chart-busting records. His ruling production house was responsible in coining several hits for Shabba Ranks, who was a key player in the birth of modern dancehall, spawning his titles such as Dembow, 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 People want to hear them kind of music there right now again. Wicked in a bed. Said I'm bad, bad. I'm a wicked in a bed. Wicked, bad, and body in a bed. Peeny, peeny. And just reality. I just reality. A Shabba ranks in mine. Reality. And more. All of which paved the way for Shabba Ranks' 2 Grammy-winning albums, As Raw as Ever and Extra Naked on Epic Records. Other standout releases include Play Play Girl by Johnny Osborne, Take Him by Mad Cobra, A Girl Man a Run You Down Girl, I know for your fault, Take Him, Take Him. Remember that? I saw Serious Times by Admiral Tibbett, Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man, and I Got the Vibes by Frankie Paul. And then there was also the other side of Bobby Digital musical expertise, which breathed new life into the roots reggae genre, with titles by Garnett, Silk, Sizzla, and Morgan Heritage in his catalog. He helped to restore Rasta music to its former glory days in the mid-90s. He actually played a key part in the establishment of the legendary Garnett Silk's career, with Singer's initial hit singles and well-received debut album. Records of the first order from artists such as Sanchez and Pinchas and Wayne Wonder, Gregory Isaac, Leroy Sibbles, Leroy Smart further confirmed his reputation as a Premier League producer. Every Man's Burden by Jamali, that was released in 1998, was from his album Treasure Box, a defining project that underlined Bobby Digital's reputation for discovering and nurturing new talent. And shortly after, in 1999, Don't Have to Dread by Morgan Heritage. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. Alright, that one propelled the 5-piece band, Morgan Heritage Band, into major success, as the song was hailed as a major triumph and considered one of Bobby Digital's best production works. He also had an influential role in transitioning artists such as Capleton, Bounty Killer, Buju Banton, and Shabba Ranks from dancehall to roots, which could be witnessed in Buju Banton's Till I'm Laid to Rest. Till I'm laid to rest, yes. Always be depressed, there's no life in the West. And only East is the best, yes. Propaganda them spread, tongues will have to confess. Generating his reinvention as one of Jamaica's most cultural messengers. See it? He was also responsible for one of Shabba Ranks' most popular roots rhythms, Heart of a Lion. Earning his reputation as the modern-day master of Jamaican music, Bobby Digital has produced much of the music that has shaped today's influence of reggae and dancehall witnessed in mainstream music. You hear that? I believe that good music is delivered from the heart. The game changer in Jamaican music once was called by Christopher Chin, CEO of VP Records, released the occasional batch of songs by artists like Kabaka Pyramid, Iba Mar, Limey Murray, Chesedek, Richie Spice, and Richie Stevens, confirming his place at the forefront of the genre. Alright, so with that, I will end this by saying this. It is 2 things that are certain unto man in this lifetime, is sickness and death. That is why on SoFlo TV you've heard me do these videos where I tell people, say, listen, don't ever try to make fun of anybody's situation where illness is concerned, because it is coming for all of us. We shall all have our day, right? Another thing that we stress over here on this channel is the need to live. find your purpose and be big in the universe as you are intended to be. And Bobby Digital certainly did that. Blazing a trail and definitely leaving behind an undeniable legacy. I will never be able to listen to another reggaeton song anywhere I'm at in the world and not think of Bobby Digital. I will never be able to listen to Sizzla, Black Woman and Child ever again without remembering the great Bobby Digital. What good, my brother? Rest in Uhuru. King came, saw, contributed greatly, and has gone on to the other realms to be with the ancestors. Alright? I want you to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me some more. You remember 90s dancehall? Anything bad so still? Eh? Alright. I'm out. Peace.